guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are with my sister-in-law here helping me. We are preparing dinner. We are having matangara and the intestine, and then this other one again, liver. And then we just harvested some tomato from our garden, and then green pepper from our garden, and onions. So we are going to share how we are cooking dinner tonight. So please help me. This is one of the best meat. Can't wait for dinner. What we eat today, if you are preparing this dinner now. Very now, eh? Let's cut it. Oh, this knife showing us flame. Guys, I want a piece of everything. Like a piece of tangara, a piece of njanja. These things are not there. And it's cheap. This is one of our favorite dinner. We are just going to have matangara and then porridge. Can't wait for dinner. Pone? Yeah. This one need to be cleaned because their intestine, they are mostly dirty. So a lot of washing that we need to do, and we have to trim off the fat. Like as you can see, there is a lot of fat in it. So you have to trim off the fat. So this is the first wash. Now give it another second wash. Because this one takes long to cook, but then on the firewood is better, as it can stay for a short time. This is our favorite delicacy. Just the stove, the pot cannot fit. So I'm doing some adjustment. But I think about to cook on top. Just some little adjustment. We normally cook with this one, the fruit, for the palm fruit is what we put under, and then we just put on top here firewood. This one is nice wood. What you are missing. And then I put in the pot. But this pot is not balancing. So we are just waiting for dinner. After some time, then we eat. We have this one is porridge. For that meat, we will need some onion. They are not the easy one to cut. And for the onion not to break so much, you cut off this one first. The cat is here. Oh, this cat. The onion is to remove up the smell, and then tomato to make the sauce sweet, and green pepper also for just that nice smell as a combination of onions and green pepper. It's very good. I can just cut them in big chunks because I can already wash this vegetable before I start cutting them, so don't worry. I actually love dinner at the village, as you can eat so late. It's fresh air and just some traditional brew. This time of the year is where we are having beans. So it's basically a nice time to have good time. Everything I cut it in chops, in big chunks, so that it will go well in the meat and not get lost. I want an aftertaste of green pepper when I'm eating this meat. These are the chunks that I've cut up. I'm just going to put them in the pot when it is ready with all the spices and everything I'm using. Then we'll have a nice sauce. It is cooked. I have to put in the vegetable that I cut earlier. Now I'm ready to cook the pap or porridge or sitima. So I'm just going to use the millet flour here. I normally use this one, and I put a handful. In our family we are a lot, so we need to cook whole big porridge, like a very big pot. Then it's making noise. Wait. What I put? This porridge is the biggest ever. Ooh. Are you guys going to finish this porridge? Still soft, so I need to add more. The pot is not consistent. Now this is the consistent we are looking for, like this. And then I'll let it get some a little bit more fire before I continue again to hear it. Then this one is ready. Guys. Have to ensure that there is fire to cook the porridge. Yeah, then cook for some time. The porridge is ready, so I'm just removing it to the hot pot so that it can stay hotter for a long time. I just use the same stick that I'm cooking with to put in porridge. Then here, the best porridge you can get, all produced by me. So now my dinner is ready. I'm just going to serve myself. This is the porridge that I cooked earlier. And then the sauce is just in this pot. And then I'm taking one piece of matangara and then another piece of that other soft meat. I feel like I'm at the wedding. Then this is now enough for me to eat now. So let me just put some tomato. So guys, I've just done with my dinner, and then I have all this beautiful plate as it looks like this. I'm going now to enjoy dinner with my family. Let me just give a taste. Tastes very good, and for myself I love intestine.